Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show to you how to scan all the members of the Facebook group. Okay, so I will use this group for example. You see that it has a lot of the member, more than 11,000. So I will copy the link of the group and I will transfer it to the UID. And I will copy the ID of the group in here. And I will use the MKT UID. And I will click on the group scanning feature, scan group member, and I will enter the ID of the group in here. And I will enter the number of the member I want to scan and select the account I will use to scan. And now I only need to click on the start button. So the process scanning the group member will start. Okay, you see that it will show you the number and the result in here. And after that, you can export to the Excel. And in this Excel, you can see the name of the profile, the UID, and the link. Okay, if you want to try this, please contact me with the information below. Thanks for watching.